My name is Dr. Kamini Mehta. I am a pediatric nephrologist and I see children with kidney problems. Due to corona pandemic, all of us were inside the house because for months there was a lockdown. And because of that, most of the children and more of adults also have put on weight. Now, when we put on weight, we feel that it is only external appearance. But because when we put on weight, what happens, what is obesity and how obesity gives rise to metabolic syndrome, I want everyone to understand. And if we understand what it is and if we try to work on that, the intention is let us try to prevent obesity and its consequences. Now, if you look at the evolution of mankind, previously men were hunting for food, so they were outside for a very long time because of they had to look out for a food, and in this they had to walk a lot, and for some days they could not find food, so they were hungry also. Then people started farming, so then from their home they were walking up to the farm. Throughout the day they were working, and by evening they were coming back home by walking only, and because they were so tired they were sleeping early. So in this lifestyle, if you see, there was lot of physical exertion. There were days when people were not finding food. They were early to bed and they were early to get up. So their sleep was, adequate, and they were sleeping enough number of hours. When we starve, our body utilizes the stored fat as energy. Now next, if you see in our culture, most of us are sitting and working, and most of us are staying in buildings where there are lifts, and in Mumbai, as you know, there are centrally AC buildings also, so there is no role of perspiration at all. Now in the offices also people sit and work, and most of the people are working on their laptop, computers and all. And if you look at the mode of transport also, most of us are traveling by car or bike, or even if we travel by public transport, and if we are sitting and traveling, again we are not walking. Now when we come back home also, there is a television, and then we have mobile phones, and our social media is keeping us busy till late midnight. So all of us are late to sleep. If we look around, there are so many food streets around, food malls, hotels, and then we have online system also where we can order food, and the food comes to our doorstep, whichever food we desire, and it is available to us in no time. Also, when you look in the shops also, there are attractive wrappers and lots of endorsement and advertisements also, which is luring the children for buying such products. Now in our lifestyle, if you see now, there is hardly any physical effort. Food is available to us almost most of the hours of the day, and most of us are eating 3 to 4 times a day or more also. And all of us are late to bed, and because of our work commitments or for children's school commitments, they have to get up early. The sleep is deprived. So we are doing one way, we are putting the food inside, but we hardly get any opportunity to utilize this food which we have already stored as fat. Now in the next slide, if you see, this resultant of this lifestyle is weight gain. Now when we say weight gain, what do we mean? We have a skin layer, and underneath the skin layer there is a subcutaneous fat tissue layer, and beneath that is the muscle layer. Now when we are eating 3 to 6 times in a day, multiplied by 7, multiplied by 30, multiplied by 365, that is 1 year, and then multiplied by 10, 20, 30 years. So like that we are putting the food inside. So what happens is the subcutaneous fat tissue layer increases in size, and this is what we see as weight gain. So our cloth size, which was initially say large, becomes XL, and then it becomes XXL. If you look at the waist circumference, then the waist circumference starts increasing, and if you see in the layman's language, then the stomach starts bulging. Now this is what we say as weight gain and obesity. So now actually if you see, the fat storing mechanism was a God given mechanism to humans, so that whenever they were starving for food, all these fat stores were utilized to provide energy. But now, because of our lifestyle, we have one way system, and we are just storing the fat, but we are not utilizing the stored fat. So the God given mechanism, which was a protective mechanism, it has become a biggest challenge and our probably biggest enemy today. And when we are eating, we are not even realizing what we are eating and how much we are eating.